I'm traveling for this summer, and I have a Prius, 2017 Prius, and I got a little Bouge electric refrigerator and a solar panel. This is how I have it set up in my vehicle. The solar panel is laying on top of the Bouge refrigerator. The refrigerator has a cover on it, and it's all hooked up to my little Jackery Explorer. So we'll see how this works for the summer, if it keeps the refrigerator cool. Check back in. And this is how Bella travels in our Prius. Her carrier takes up a really lot of space. Right, Bella?